In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check balance on Wise. If you use Wise to hold or send money in multiple currencies, keeping an eye on your balances is quick and straightforward. I'll walk you through the simple flow so you know exactly where to look, what you're seeing, and a few helpful tips to make it smooth. First, log into your Wise account and head straight to the home dashboard. You can do this on the mobile app or on the website, whichever you prefer. Make sure you're using the official Wise app or the correct website, and, for security, sign in on a private connection. If you use two-step verification, have your device handy so you can confirm the login quickly. Once you're in, you'll land on the home dashboard. On the home dashboard, you'll see your currencies listed along with their balances. Wise is designed for multi-currency accounts, so this area is your command center. Each currency shows the amount available to spend or send. If you have several currencies, you might see your primary one at the top, followed by others below. The numbers reflect your available balance, which normally updates in real time. On the app, if something looks out of date, pull down to refresh. On the web, a quick page refresh will do the trick. Keep in mind that if a transfer is still processing, it may not immediately appear in the available amount, so a slight delay can be normal. To dig deeper into any one balance, tap or click on a specific currency. This opens the details page, where you can review transactions tied to that currency. Here you'll find recent activity like incoming payments, outgoing transfers, card charges if you use a Wise card, and any fees applied. Each transaction usually includes the date, the amount, and a short description or merchant name. If you've converted money between currencies, you'll typically see the exchange rate and the final settled amount, which helps you understand exactly what changed and why. And there you go. That's really all you need to check your balance on Wise. Log in, glance at your currencies on the dashboard, and open a currency to view its transaction details. If something doesn't look right, try refreshing the page or the app. Ensure your internet connection is stable and verify you're viewing the correct currency. With this quick routine, you can stay on top of your money with confidence and clarity every time you sign in.